Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between internal and external stakeholders. Business exists in a large environment and many factors affect the business directly and indirectly. Every organization has its stakeholders, irrespective of its size, nature, structure and purpose. The stakeholders can be any person or entity who influence and can be influenced by the company's activities. In a business environment, stakeholders are classified into two categories: internal stakeholders and external stakeholders. Internal stakeholders refer to the individuals and parties within the organization. On the other hand, external stakeholders represent outside parties, which affect or get affected by the business activities. So, let's look into the basic differences between internal and external stakeholders in a tabular form. Difference number 1. The individual and parties that are the part of the organization is known as internal stakeholders, whereas the parties or groups that are not a part of the organization but gets affected by its activities is known as external stakeholders. Number 2. Internal stakeholders are directly influenced by the company's activities because they are the part of the organization, which is just opposite in the case of external stakeholders. Number 3. Internal stakeholders serve the organization, whereas external stakeholders get influenced by the organization's work. Number 4. Internal stakeholders are employed by the company, but external stakeholders are not. Number 5. Internal stakeholders are the primary stakeholders, whereas external stakeholders are the secondary stakeholders. And difference number 6. Internal stakeholders include employees, owners, board of directors, managers, investors, etc., whereas external stakeholders include suppliers, customers, creditors, clients, intermediaries, competitors, society, government, etc.